Hello friends! Let's learn about what we do every day. We use present simple tense to talk about things that we do every day, things that are always true. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. The sun shines. I, you, we, they. I play football. You like chocolate. We run fast. They read books. He, she, it. We add s to the verb. He plays basketball. She likes an ice cream. It rains every day. Let's practice. I eat lunch. She likes music. They watch TV. You've learned how to use the present simple tense. I go, he runs, we play. Let's keep practicing English together. Goodbye!